Today, we are going to talk about subtraction words in English. If you have not already looked at my videos about general numbers, you might want to watch those first so that you know some of the vocabulary we'll be using in this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. This is an example of a subtraction problem. 7 minus 1 equals 6. This is a minus sign. And this is an equal sign. Got it? 7 minus 1 equals 6. Ooh, there, my 6 is better now. Good. So we call 6 the answer or difference. Answer, difference. Now, let's talk about subtraction with bigger numbers. Let's try a 3-digit subtraction problem. 572 minus 184 equals what? Remember, this is a vertical, this problem is arranged vertically, and we have 3 columns. So the first column, 2 minus 4. How do we do that? 2 is less than 4. We have to borrow a 1. Borrow a 1. So we make this 6 and add 1 so that it's 12 minus 4. 8. 6 minus 8. We have to borrow a 1 again. We change the 5 into 4, add the 1 to 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, our answer is 388. Our answer, or the difference, is 388. When we're teaching young kids, we start this a little differently. Maybe we would draw bananas. Okay, maybe that's a bad banana. Let's try oranges. They're easy. We would say you have 3 oranges and someone takes an orange away. How many are left? Take away. Take away means someone has 3 oranges and you steal one or take it away from them. They don't have it anymore. And then what's left, or what is left, means what do you still have? What is left? 2. Now, we're going to try subtraction with expanded form. Much better. Expanded form subtraction. Now, expanded form subtraction. We are going to start with a problem like this. 47 minus 21. To do that, we put each number in expanded form. 40 plus 7 minus 20 plus 1 equals 7 minus 1 is 6. 40 minus 20 is 20. 20 plus 6, 26 is our answer. Okay, let's do one that's a little more complicated. Let's do 52 minus 27. 52 minus 37. Let's do that. Okay, so we put each number in expanded form. 50 plus 2 minus 30 plus 7 equals, oh, but look, 2 minus 7. How do we do that? We're going to borrow 10. So we're going to change this to 40 and put our other 10 right here. 12 minus 7 is 5. 40 minus 30 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Another thing we use in new math is a number line. Okay, a number line looks something like this. We teach kids to add and subtract using a number line. For addition, for example, 3 plus 2, we go 1, 2 to the right. 1, 2, oh, it's 5. We can do this with subtraction as well. 4 minus 2, we go over to the left, 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now, we're going to try something called the quick draw or place value method. Okay, to use this for subtraction, here's an example. 100 minus 42. Actually, let's just try 100 minus 7. Okay, we're going to take 100 and think of it as a big block. And we're going to take away 7. We need to know for this ones, tens, and hundreds. If you don't know what those mean, then please watch my first video where we talk about place values. Okay? But for this, we're going to divide 100 into 10 tens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, with me so far? But to do this problem, we need ones. So we're going to take one of these 10s and make it into 10 ones. We'll use circles for this so it's not so confusing. Okay, so we're going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to count what's left. 0 100s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10s, plus 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. This is a method that they teach kids to use when they're doing subtraction. Let's talk about tape diagrams. With subtraction. So, to make a tape diagram with subtraction, we take a math problem, for example, 43 minus 29. So to make this problem a little easier, we notice 29 is very close to 30. We just need to add 1. And we make our tape diagram for 29 that has 29 plus 1. Well, if you're going to add 1 to 29 to get 30, then you're also going to have to add 1 to 43. Forty-three plus 1 is 44. And then we have a new and easier math problem. 44 minus 30 equals 14. Same answer as this, but this makes it easier for some children, according to scientists or someone. Compensation. We talked about this strategy in addition, and it's just the same in subtraction. The basic idea of compensation is that you add or subtract a number to both parts of an addition or subtraction problem to make it easier to work with. For example, 200 is very close to 199. We call numbers like 200 benchmark numbers or friendly numbers. To get this problem to where 199 is changed to a friendly or benchmark number, we have to add 1 to it. And also, then we have to add 1 to the top. So now we have 573 minus 200, which is 373. So very, very easy to do. Counting back is a strategy that we use with young children doing subtraction. For example, 9 minus 3. We take 9 and we count back 3 numbers. 8, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Another way that children are taught to do subtraction is left to right. Left this direction to right. So let's say we have 572 minus 314. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take 572 minus 300. 272 is what's left. Now we take 272 minus 14, which equals, minus 10, sorry, 10. We take 272 minus 10, which gives us 262. Now we take 262 minus 4, and we get 258. This method is called counting up. We use this when we're talking about general numbers, but also when we're talking about giving change. Change is the money we get back from the cashier when we pay for something. For example, if I give the cashier $5, and my purchase was only $3.45, then how do we do this? We do this by counting up. So we start with $3.45. We try to get this to $3.50, so we add 5 cents in American money. I'm not sure what it's called in other country's money, but that gives us $3.50. Now we try to get this to $4. How? We add 50 cents. Plus 50 cents. And that gives us $4. And then to get it up to 5, we add $1. So how do you find out what the amount is? You add the black numbers. So $1 plus 50 cents plus 5 cents equals $1.55. And that is our answer. Part whole is a strategy we use to teach children addition and subtraction. We talked a bit about this on the addition section as well. Part whole basically says any number is composed of 2 parts. For example, 5 is 2 and 3. Oops. Okay, so we use this to solve problems like 7 minus 3. Our whole is 7. Whole means an entire thing, not parts, not pieces, not a little bit of it, all of something. 3 is 1 part. But what is the other part? So there are different ways we can do this. We can draw the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can color in the parts. 1, 2, 3, and count the others. 1, 2, 3, 4 is one way. Now we're going to try subtraction with regrouping. We start with a subtraction problem like 25 minus 7. What do we do? To try the regrouping approach, first we draw this number. We draw 25 as one, 2 columns of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 7 ones. Or 5 ones. Sorry, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we need to subtract 7, and there are not 7. What do we do? What do we do? So we take this column of 10 and we make it into 10 ones. Let's see. Oh, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to subtract 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now we just add up what's left. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is our answer. This is called the Singapore method. In this case, they teach kids, instead of solving the problem in the columns, to subtract this number from both. So we get 242 minus 40. 202. Same answer, but we solve it by subtracting 8 from both numbers. Now, we have talked about different ways to do subtraction using Common Core math. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Soon, I'll be talking about multiplication in a separate video, then division, then fractions and decimals, then hopefully algebra and geometry.